के बारे में डील करेंगे। अ स्टेटमेंट और एन ऑर्डर विच वाज रिसेंटली गवर्नमेंट ने दिया है कि जो गवर्नर के पास ही डजंट हैव द डिस्क्रिशन Greetings everyone. On behalf of Pathshala Classes, I, Vaibhavi Batra, welcomes you all on our YouTube channel. Today is lecture 43rd of our online CLAT marathon series and आज हम एक important aspect के बारे में deal करेंगे, a statement or an order which was recently made by the Supreme Court of the country regarding the governors and their power to withhold or पास द बिल। सो बेसिकली मैं आपको एक ब्रीफ बैकग्राउंड बताती हूँ। हुआ क्या था कि इन द स्टेट ऑफ तमिलनाडु जो तमिलनाडु स्टेट कैबिनेट ने बिल्स री रिविजन के लिए डाली हुई थी एंड जो गवर्नर्स थे द गवर्नर he passes the bills there and of the state. So जो governor थे he withhold the bill and he was not, people and the parties were repeatedly demanding कि आप please कुछ bills पे respond करें, repass them or enforce them, but there was no communication on in this end. So initially Madras High Court में गए, but then later on all of them went to the Supreme Court of the country. So let's see what the Supreme Court ordered. The government of Tamil Nadu complained to the Supreme Court that the governor is holding back the bills, indefinitely defeating the rights of the people of Tamil Nadu to the benefits of the crucial laws passed by the House. So basically the government of Tamil Nadu complained to the Supreme Court that the governor is withholding the bill. अच्छा, अब उसने गवर्नर ने की तो जो पीपल का राइट है, जो स्टेट के जो स्टेट में लोग रहते हैं उनका जो राइट है, दैट वाज बीइंग इन्फ्रिंज्ड। तो ऑब्वियसली इट वाज अ मैटर ऑफ द राइट ऑफ पर्सनल लिबर्टी। तो इसलिए the state government went to the Supreme Court of the country. So what Supreme Court held was, the Supreme Court took note obviously of the arguments that the Constitution does not provide governor discretion to withhold the bills repassed by the state legislative assembly. Supreme Court ने किया, नोट किया इस आर्ग्यूमेंट का जो तमिलनाडु स्टेट गवर्नमेंट ने दिया है कि जो गवर्नर के पास he doesn't have the discretion, he doesn't have the power to withhold the bills. Supreme Court held that the first provision of Article 200 of the Indian Constitution states, if the bill is passed again by the House or Houses with or without amendment and presented to the governor for assent, the governor shall not withhold assent thereon. जो आर्टिकल 200 ऑफ द इंडियन कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन ये स्टेट करता है कि अगर गवर्नर के पास कोई बिल गई है जो रीपास हुई है बाय द स्टेट असेंबली, सो ही डजंट हैव द पावर इन दैट कोर्स ऑफ थिंग कि उसको विदहोल्ड कर सके। The court also acknowledged the state submission that the governor having withheld assent and sent back the bills once cannot refer to reiterate the bills to the precedent. It was observed by Supreme Court that withholding the bills also implies sending it back to the legislature for reconsideration, as returning the bill back to the House was a necessary corollary to the withdrawal of the assent. Thus, the Supreme Court clearly stated that as per Article 200 वो repass bill को discretion नहीं है उसके पास hold करने का। अगर वो hold करता है that means वो वापस reconsider करने के लिए भेज रहे असेंबली के पास, but that has already been done twice. So that's why the governor has to pass the bills and does not have the power to withhold the bills. Okay, so it's an important order which is given by the Supreme Court recently. So please go through Article 200. मैंने बहुत brief में इसमें समझा दिया है. This would be more than enough for you guys. So just please have a look. ठीक है? Have a good day. Thank you.